Thank you for your interest in Deliquescent drying technology from Vanair Systems. Over the next several minutes, you'll learn about some of the amazing properties of Deliquescent Desiccants and how these small white tablets are used to remove harmful water vapor from compressed air and other pressurized gases. Manufacturing, natural gas, biogas and landfill gas, wood products, mining, abrasive blasting and painting. These are just a few of the industries where Deliquescent Desiccants are relied upon to keep air and gas lines dry and moisture-free. What is a deliquescent desiccant? Deliquesce means to dissolve. A desiccant is any drying agent, so deliquescent desiccant is a drying agent that dissolves. At its production facilities in northwest Pennsylvania, Vanair Systems has been researching, developing, and manufacturing deliquescent desiccant formulas since 1944. Deliquescent desiccants are produced by precisely blending and pressing together various alkali and alkaline metal compounds. These materials are all hygroscopic, meaning they have an affinity for water. The hygroscopic properties of Vanair Systems desiccants are readily apparent. Here, a deliquescent desiccant tablet is being set out in a humid room. Notice at first how the tablet's surface is dry. Soon, beads of liquid begin forming on the surface of the tablet. Over time, more liquid forms. This liquid is being pulled from the ambient air. Humidity contacting the tablet surface turns to liquid. Notice how the tablet grows smaller. It is deliquescing, or gradually dissolving and becoming part of the solution. Finally, all that's left is a dish of liquid surrounded by dry air. Water vapor is a common contaminant in compressed air and gas systems. Wet compressed air and gas lines will lead to frozen pipes, corrosion, product spoilage, contaminated processes, increased downtime, and hydrate formation in natural gas lines. With their vapor-attracting properties, deliquescent desiccants are ideal for drying compressed air and other gases and preventing the harmful effects of moisture. Let's examine how deliquescent desiccants are used within a pressurized system to remove water vapor from compressed air or gas. It's important to pick the right grade of deliquescent desiccant. Vanair Systems produces 3 grades of deliquescent desiccant: Dryolite, Special Purpose, and 10BF. Dryolite is primarily used in compressed air systems, while Special Purpose and 10BF are typically reserved for natural gas dehydration applications. The equipment needed to apply deliquescent desiccants is extremely simple. The basic requirements include a special tank called a deliquescent dryer, a drain valve, and a filter, and desiccant tablets. Here is a cutaway model of a deliquescent dryer. Inside the dryer, there's a grid plate for supporting the deliquescent desiccant. There's an inlet nozzle where air or gas enters the vessel, an outlet nozzle where air or gas exits, and a drain connection for removing liquid. Finally, there's a filler hatch for adding new desiccant tablets. The drying process is easy. Wet air or gas enters the lower portion of the vessel and flows upward through the bed of deliquescent desiccant. Dehydrated air or gas exits the top of the vessel before passing through a final filter. Remember the liquid we observed forming in the dish? The same process occurs within the dryer vessel. Humidity extracted from the air or gas collects on the exterior surface of the tablets. The liquid drips slowly down to the bottom of the vessel and is periodically drained away. Let's take a look at several deliquescent dryers in operation. The setup is simple. Air lines are hooked up. Desiccant is added to the vessel. The filler hatch is tightened, and the dryer is slowly pressurized. The level of moisture in a compressed air or gas system is often defined in terms of dew point. Dew point is the temperature where condensation begins to form. Deliquescent desiccant serves to suppress the dew point in a compressed air or gas stream. The extent of this dew point suppression depends on the grade of desiccant material selected. Dryolite desiccant suppresses dew point by approximately 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Special Purpose suppresses dew point by approximately 35 degrees Fahrenheit. 10BF suppresses dew point by up to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, a dew point meter takes a reading at the inlet of the compressed air dryer. The dew point of the compressed air is about 42 degrees. Now, we've moved the dew point meter downstream of the dryer. The meter shows us that the new dew point is about 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Dryolite Desiccant has suppressed the dew point by almost 20 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that no condensation will occur in the airline unless it cools to 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintenance of a deliquescent dryer is very simple. 1. Make sure the dryer vessel is drained daily. And 2. Periodically add new desiccant tablets. Deliquescent dryers from Van Air Systems come in a variety of sizes and configurations, designed for virtually any flow and pressure rating. Here is a small dryer, Van Air Systems Model D2. It is rated for a flow of 7 standard cubic feet per minute and typically used for point-of-use drying in a compressed air system. The D2 will normally be used to protect a small number of pneumatic tools or to remove humidity from a line exposed to freezing ambient temperatures. Here is a large deliquescent dryer, Van Air Systems Model D132. This dryer was built to dry up to 12,000 standard cubic feet per minute. Since deliquescent dryers require no power to operate, many are used in portable applications. Here we see a blast pack in operation. The blast pack is a deliquescent dryer specially designed for the mobile blasting and painting industry. Deliquescent Desiccant, an effective and simple product for drying compressed air and gas. To learn more, visit www.vanairsystems.com.